Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two hidden Chrome settings that can significantly speed up your browsing experience. Most people have no idea these settings even exist, but they make a big difference, especially if your internet is slow. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to the search bar and type, Chrome//flags. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page. Once you're on the flags page, use the search bar at the top and type, parallel downloading. Parallel downloading allows Chrome to break a file into smaller parts and download them at the same time. This can drastically speed up your downloads, especially large files. When you find it, simply click the drop-down menu and set it to enabled. Next, in the same search bar, type QUIC or QUIC Protocol. QUIC is a modern connection protocol developed by Google. It reduces latency, meaning websites load faster and more smoothly. Once you see the option, change it to enabled as well. After enabling both features, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch at the bottom, and your new speed settings will be applied. You can test the difference by opening a few websites. You'll notice pages loading more quickly and downloads starting faster. And that's it. These two hidden settings can make your browsing experience much smoother without installing any additional software. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you want more Chrome tricks.